21 na to.
Wala transition. Wala isang transition. Smooth. Smooth ba? O may problema naman ako. Yung pag-open page.
Sana kasi yung gabi.
Kapag naririnig mo to, nasa kabilang banda kami nang hinahanap mo. Pamparam, pam, pam, pamparam, param, pam. Sumabay lang sa bayo, sarap sa pakiramdam. Pamparam, pam, pam, pamparam, param, pam. Nagawa namin ito habang bilog pinap.
Ayos naman. Nakala ko okay na to. Ang pala.
Nothing you can do but get the whole world to her 24/7 when she looking so sweet. That kind of body.
Nagduduwit ako lagi sa mga video ni Mona before. Skip natin mga part nila, sobrang dami yan. As in. Lagi na natin. Yun. Si Cassie, hindi ko mag-duwit. Yung iba ko yung guidelines. Ito ang ganda na. Ito na nagustuhan ko. Favorite. Favorite natin. Pamimili na tayo kasi ilang minutes na mag-1 turn. And ang dami nito. Pili natin pinakamalis.
Ay ko pa. Sa'yo ko pa. So, kumain ako ng ketchup.
I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go.
Paano pa? Itong shirt na suot ko. Ito yung ginawa ko ng grade 6. Tinahin namin. May dumating. Ha. Nalagay sa caption. Wala pa kami aircon dyan. Hinihintay ko yung dumating. Ayun. Ang new wave ko ang pangit. Pangit na. Dalawa. Pwede. Pangit. Deserve to be loved. My gosh, yung bagal. Bagal na. Gusto pa sin siya. Happy birthday ka.
Bitch, I cannot believe that they force our asses to go to school for 13 years. And the only thing that most of us leave with is extreme anxiety and fucking severe depression. Like, bitch, I didn't learn shit.
Sa ulo ko pa.
You know what the saddest shit
Kaya
is?
ko yung vlog ni Ivana,
Stop
lagi na
talking.
hide and seek profile mo na para magkaluhan
Every
dito sa
single day. Because all you want to do is text them.
Di ba tapos? Wala pa akong gano'n yan. Uy. Noong time na to, hindi ko alam yung word. Yung ibig sabihin ng word na to. Kaya pasensyahan nyo na.
Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come.
Bibili ako tsikulit. O Tyron, sakto lang yung bayad mo para sa isang piraso. Balik mo yung isa. Butik naman, ibang costume na naman. Tyron, wag na. Kunin mo na yan. Touch mo. Kunin mo na. Alam ni Tyron yung tama sa mali. Isipin mo na lang by one take one. Tara na, kunin mo na yan. Very good, Tyron. Do the right thing. Hindi niyo pa ako binigyan ng tsikulit.
Pasensya ka na ha. Matanda na kasi ako, makakalimutin na.
Yung sukli ko, teha, 100 yung binigay ko.
Ay hala, sorry talaga, pasensya na.
Yawa. Mukhang may papalit na sa kaharian mo. Sama mo na ako sa langit. Bahala ka dyan. Sama mo na ako sa langit. Bahala ka dyan. Mas demonyo pa sa demonyo. Bahala ka dyan. Sama mo na ako dyan. Bili.
Ito yung simula ng pag-ano kay Tyrone. Pag-gamit ako ka dyan yan.
Nagkikaso kapag hindi pa madulas. Bakit may naririnig akong ingay? Kasi may tenga kayo, ma'am.
Just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I've tried, I don't know
Kaya mo din naman yung video. Kahit magka-part 3
Tayo ang sagutan mo itong problem dito sa Blackboard. Kayo na pa ang sumagot niyan, ma'am. Kaya niyo na yan. Bastos tong bata na to. Punta ka sa principal's office. Puro ka utos. Kanina pinapasagot mo ako, tapos ngayon kung saan niyo ako papuntahin. Kung ikaw kayo utos-utosan ko, ito, pamasahin. Basan mo yung mga plato dun sa bahay. Laban mo yung brief ko. Tayo sa milkshake ka ba? Pwede i-shake mo ako? Ba't ang kati ng braso ko? Pwede sipsip mo po yung sinipsip mo. Sana all sinipsip pero sana hindi ng lamok. Wala na ba talaga tayong budget? Diba costume to ng ipis kahapon tapos ngayon lamok? Ba't hindi mo ako pinapagalitan? Bakit anak? Bakit kita papagalitan? Magdabog ka! Utos-utusan mo naman ako. Pagalitan mo naman ako na puro ako cellphone tapos paghugasin niyo ako ng plato. Tapos sabay compare sa mga pinsan na kaedad ko na successful. Buti pa siyan, no? Buti pa si ganyan. Subukan mong lumipad, tamak muna kita ng tsinelas. Sabi huwag kang lumipad. Pinagsabihan na kitang huwag lumipad, lumipad ka talaga. Batman pa yung costume mo, wala na ba ibang costume dyan? Subukan mo pang lumipad ulit, ha? Ay, wala na akong tsinelas. Totoo kayo yung sinasabi nilang nakakatakot daw na multo dito? Hello? Ako po yung multo at hindi po totoong nananakot ako. Dapat nakakatakot ka. Multo ka, di ba? Eh, dapat nakakatakot ka. Magtago ka dun ulit at gulatin mo ako. Gulatin mo ako. Gulatin mo ako. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang hagdan. Una, gamitin niyo yung dalawa yung kamay. Then one step at a time. Pababa naman, ganun din, one step at a time. Pero kung nagmamadali kayo, pwede na kayong tumalon.
Pwede ba na rin? Word na mo.
Kakainin mo na naman yung... May tiger dito!
Everybody learn your ABCs. Start with A, then end with C. Everybody learn your ABCs. Start with A, then end with C. Yo A, yo B, yo 1. A, B, C, D, E, F.
We went from strangers to friends to lovers.
Yeah.
Now we're strangers again. But this time with memories.
You have been praying and crying at night.
Pero ang kailangan message.
And God whispered back, why not you? I didn't sentence you to pain, I trusted you with it. I didn't sentence you to trial, I trusted you with trial. Because I knew that even through your tears you wouldn't deny my name. Even through your pain you wouldn't stop worshiping. Even through your questions you wouldn't stop serving. Even through the rejection you would not stop sowing. Is there anybody that in spite of circumstance, in spite of a look of the coin flip, you still serve God, still honored God, still praise God, still gave him glory? And I wish you could give him glory in this place. Don't wait for tonight to make noise. You might as well make noise right now.
Anak, ba't ang bait mo? Gumawa ka ng kalokohan doon. Gumawa ka ng kalokohan. Puro ka lang aral. Kanina ka pa nag-aaral. Hindi ako sanay na matinok ka. Mag-cellphone ka doon.
I can't trust anyone anymore. Why? Because the one person I thought would never turn on me, turned on me. The one person I thought would never hurt me, hurt me. The one person I thought would never leave me, left me.
Ang drama.
There's 104 days, it's only 51, but the city is silently beyond. So the annual problem of our generation is puro online classes.
I'm not sad, but I'm not really happy. I can smile and joke around during the day, but sometimes when I'm alone at night, I don't know how I feel.
I
Submit. You're human. I'll take care of
Lalit
you.
pa ni Gandhi.
Because you're a little man. Let me give you your boobs. Boop. That's right.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Sir.
Okay, everyone needs to do this. Take your finger, cover one of your eyes, and then look at your finger with the other eye, and then take it off.
Nagawa ko rin, ha?
It's the slow replies for me. Slow replies for me. Text me like you're a celebrity. Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it stops.
Small town boy in a big arcade. I got a ticket to a losing game. All I know, loving you is a losing game.
So, dito ko na muna tapusin yung video dahil ang dami pa talaga. As in, bukas ko na lang itutuloy yung iba. Subscribe na lang for part 2 or 3.